Namaste students. From last two videos, you must have understood how to calculate mean and how to calculate mode. Now in today's lecture, it is turn of median, third measure of central tendency. According to class 9th, what we have learned in class 9th, median is the middlemost observation. In class 9, you have learned that arrange the observations in an ascending order and find center of the values. Now continue with that. In class 10th, we learn how to calculate median for a group data. Here I have taken a data where marks obtained by different students is given to us. Marks obtained between 0 to 10 are being scored by 5 students, and this type of data is given to us. We have to calculate median. For calculating median, first step is to calculate cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency means combined frequency. How to calculate? First value will be written as it is. Now after that we will be combining this. Step by step addition. 5 plus 3. That will give us 8. 8 plus 4. 12. 12 plus 3. 15. 15 plus 3. 18. 18 plus 4. 22. 22 plus 7. 29. 29 plus 9. 38. And 38 plus 7. 45. 45 plus 8. 53. And if you add frequencies, we will again get 53 only. So total of frequency should be same as last value of cumulative frequency. After calculating cumulative frequency, we have to find half of it. So n means total of frequencies. So capital N comes out to be 53. And if you divide it by 2, we get 26.5. 53 divided by 2 will give 26.5. Now we have to check where this 26.5 line. 8, 12, 15, 18, 22. Here it is up to 28 only. So 26.5 will not be coming in this category. It will be coming here. 26.5. According to this, we have chosen this one as median class. The previous class has ended on 22. So 26.5 will come in this category where we have values up to 29. So according to this, median class is 60 to 70. As we have learned formulas for mean and mode, again we have to learn one formula for median also. Median we can calculate by using formula L plus n by 2 minus cumulative frequency upon frequency into class width. Now L, as I told you, L means lower limit, H means class size, N means number of observations, then F means frequency of the median class. Cumulative frequency is the frequency of one preceding class. Let us put the values here. N, lower limit will be 60 plus N by 2. N by 2 we have calculated 26.5 minus cumulative frequency of one preceding class. This one. You can clearly see if you take 29, 29 is bigger than 26.5. So we choose cumulative frequency of the class which is preceding the cumulative, this median class. So our cumulative frequency is 22. Frequency of median class. This is our median class. So frequency will be 7. into class size 0 to 10, 10 to 20. So width of 10. Calculate 60 plus 26.5 minus 22 will give us 4.5 upon 7 into 10. Now 60 plus this. So 45 divided by 7. Approximately 6.42. So median comes out to be 66.4. You can get a question like this also, where instead of giving frequency, they will give us cumulative frequency. As you can see, values are continuously increasing, so it is cumulative frequency. So here I have taken a question in which they are saying that a survey regarding the heights in centimeter of 51 girls is being recorded, and this data is given to us and we have to calculate median for this. So before we start with our calculation of median, we will have to convert this data and we'll have to obtain class interval as well as frequency. Less than 140, remain as less than 140 only. After this, instead of writing less than 145, we'll be writing 140 to 145. Then 145 to 150, 150 to 155, 155 to 160, 160 to 165. So what was written here? 140, 145, 155. These are the upper limits. So they have come here. So upper limit of one class has become lower limit for the next one. Now frequency. How to calculate frequency? From cumulative frequency, again write first value as it is. Now when frequency was given to us in last question, continuous addition gave us cumulative frequency. Now continuous subtraction will give us frequency. Frequency, if frequency is given, by continuous addition we can calculate cumulative frequency. And if cumulative frequency is given, by subtraction we can get frequency. So 11 minus 4 will give us 7. 29 minus 11 will give us 18. 40 minus 29, 11. 46 minus 40, 6. 51 minus 46. You can see what I have done. First value is as it is, then 11 minus 4, 7. 29 minus 11, 18. 40 minus 29, 11. 46 minus 40, 6. 51 minus 46, 5. So we have obtained frequencies 4, 7, 18, 11, 6 and 5. Now let us calculate median. For median, first of all, we will have to select a median class. For that, we will have to find n. N is 51. Then what will be n by 2? 51 upon 2, that is 25.5. Now check where this 25.5 is lying. Up to here it is 11 and this one is 29, means 25.5 is lying in this third class interval. So our median class is 145 to 150. Median class 145 to 150. So what is lower limit? Lower limit is 145. Class with gap of 5. So H is 5. Then n by 2 we are having 25.5. Cumulative frequency of preceding class, that is value is 11, and frequency of median class, that is 80. So median will come L plus n by 2, that is 25.5, minus cumulative frequency upon frequency into class width, that is 5. This 25.5 minus 11 will give us 14.5. 14.5 into 5 divided by 18 will give us 4.03. So if you add, answer of median will come out to be 149.03. 149.03 we have obtained median for the given class. Next very important category of questions. They have already given us median as 525, but some of the values of frequencies are missing. So we have to find these missing values. Steps are again same. Frequency is given to us. We have to calculate cumulative frequency. First value as it is. Then 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus x. 7 plus x plus 12 means 19 plus x. 19 plus 17. 36 plus x. 36 plus 20. X being unlike term will come like this only. 56 plus x plus y. Now this 9 is being added to 65 plus x plus y. 65 plus 7 is added. 72 plus x plus y. Now 4 is being added. So 76 plus x plus y. Now this question, one thing is median given to us, and second thing is total of frequencies is given to be 100. And I have told in previous questions, whatever we get total of frequency, that should be same as this last entry. That means according to question what we have obtained, the 76 plus x plus y should be equal to 100. So shifting 76 to this side, x plus y. 100 minus 76 will give us 24. So this is first equation. The second thing they have given median. Median is 525. So 525 lies between 500 and 600. So median class will be, median class is 500 to 600. That means L is, lower limit is 500. Class width, as you can see, size is 100. If this is median class, then median class of one preceding. Median frequency of preceding class is 36 plus x, and frequency of the median class is 20. And n it is given to us is 100. Now let us calculate median. According to formula, median is L plus n by 2 minus cumulative frequency of the preceding class upon frequency of the median class into h. Median is already given in the question, so we will be writing 525. Lower limit is 500 plus n is 100. So 100 upon 2 will give us 50. 50 minus cumulative frequency. So this is 36 and plus, but here as it is minus sign, so it will be minus 36 minus x upon frequency 20 into h. What is class width? 100. So we have obtained 50 minus 36 will give us 14. 14 minus x upon 20. Into 100. And this 500 will be shifted this side. 525 minus 500 will give us 25. 20 and 100 got cancelled. So having 25 is equal to 14 minus x into 5. Now either you can multiply 5 with both the terms or simply take 5 to this side. 25 divided by 5 will give us 5. 14 minus x. X will come this side. 5 will go that side. So 14 minus 5 will give us 9. So what we have obtained? We have obtained the value of x as 9. Now if we put this value of x in equation number 1. Put x equals to 9 in equation number 1. 9 plus y equals to 24. Y is equal to 24 minus 9. That gives us the value of y as 15. So using the given values of median and total of the frequencies, we have calculated the value of missing frequencies, that is x and y. X we have obtained as 9 and y we have obtained as 15. So in today's lecture we have learned how to calculate third measure of central tendency, that is median.